Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how I make these Christmas red macarons. I hope you enjoy. For the supplies, I'm going to be using my sifter and a bowl underneath it to sift into. Then I have my red and green holly sprinkles and my candy cane sprinkles. I also have red gel dye and a bowl full of almond flour with a little cocoa powder, some powdered sugar, and some regular sugar. Then in another bowl I have my egg whites, which I'm going to mix on level 6 speed. While that is mixing, I'm going to sift together my almond flour, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar. After I finish sifting those ingredients, I take my granulated sugar and slowly mix it in with the egg whites to create a thick and fluffy meringue. After I finish adding all the sugar in, I turn up the mixer to level 8 speed and add a little bit of red gel food coloring to create that red color. I usually let it mix for about 1.5 minutes after adding the color for it to reach stiff peaks. Then I add in my sifted mixture and start mixing in a circular motion around the bowl. I don't really know how to describe it, but you can see in this video. I did add a little bit more red dye to make it a deeper, darker red color. You should stop mixing when your batter flows off the spoon just like this. Next, I just take my batter and I put it into a piping bag, and after that I take my tray with a silicone mat and I just start piping on circles to make the macaroon shape. After you finish piping on your macaroons, tap the tray against the table a few times to let the air bubbles out. Then you can sprinkle some of your candy cane and holly sprinkles to add a Christmassy vibe to the shells. After you're finished with the sprinkles, leave out the macaroons for about an hour until they reach this hard shell. You should know it's dry when you touch it and it leaves no residue on your finger. I lost the clip, but then I baked them at 318 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. The next few steps are really easy. All you do is start filling the macaroons with a cream cheese filling, put the shells on top, and then you're finished. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye!